How to find privacy settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find privacy settings on Android phone. First, then open settings, and now just scroll down until you find this one, privacy. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage privacy settings on Android phone. And here you can find permission manager, and here you can manage anything you want, and that's it. Just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find privacy settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.